In this part on houseflies, we are going to discuss fly control measures. Fly control measures includes environmental control, insecticidal control, fly papers, protection against flies, and health education. Environmental control. The most important control measure, it includes elimination of breeding places of houseflies and improvement in environmental sanitation. It can be done by appropriate storage of garbage, kitchen waste and refuse. It should be stored in bins with tight lids. Efficient collection, removal and disposal of refuse is essential. Disposal can be done by incineration, by composting or by sanitary landfill. Improvement in environmental sanitation further includes provision of sanitary latrines, for example, provision of pit privies, septic tanks, provision of water seal latrines, and sanitary system. The most important aspect related with fly control is stopping open air defecation and sanitary disposal of animal excreta. In addition, it is important to set up general sanitation. Remember, clean house with clean surroundings is the best answer for fly problem. Insecticidal control of houseflies includes residual sprays, baits, cords and ribbons, space sprays and larvicides. Residual sprays. The susceptible houseflies may be killed by using insecticides like 5% DDT, 5% methoxychlore, 0.5% lindane, 2.5% chlordane, or we can use 2% diazinon, 2.5% dimethoate, 2.5% phentheon, 5% malathion or 5% ronil. Baits. For controlling houseflies, we can use solid baits or we can use liquid baits. Commercial baits are available in the market. These baits contains 1% or 2% diazinon, malathion, dichlorobos, ronil and dimethoate. These baits have been tried with success. Liquid baits are available. They contain 0.1 to 0.2% of diazinon, malathion, dichlorobos, ronil or dimethoate and 10% sugar water. Liquid baits, they have also given good results. The cheapest bait can be prepared by mixing 3 teaspoons of commercial formalin with 1 pint, that is 500 ml of water or milk and a little amount of sugar. Cords and ribbons can be used for fly control. Cords and strips are impregnated with insecticides like diazinon, phentheon, dimethoate. These cords and strips are effective against houseflies. Cords and ribbons should be kept in hanging position, so these can be hung from the ceilings. The period of effectiveness ranges from 1 month to 6 months. Space sprays. Commercial space sprays are available. These sprays contains pyrethrin, DDT or HCH. These sprays can be used for indoor spraying and even for outdoor spraying. For spraying, we can use hand sprayers or we can use power sprayers. Generally, space sprays do not have residual action or sometimes may have little residual action. What is practical application of this? As these sprays do not have residual action, it is very essential that its application must be repeated regularly. It is important to understand here that space sprays, they produce only temporary effect on adult fly population. Larvicides. For controlling larvae of houseflies, we can use larvicides. Different insecticides can be used for this purpose. It includes 0.5% diazinon, 2% dichlorovos, 2% dimethoate or 1% ronil. These insecticides are applied at the rate of 28 to 56 liters per 100 square meters. And they are used for treatment of breeding places of houseflies. While using insecticides against houseflies, it is essential to understand that houseflies may develop resistance to the insecticides and may create problem in controlling houseflies. Insecticides are only a supplement but not substitute for sanitation. So most important fly control measure is improvement in sanitation. Fly papers. Fly papers can be prepared by mixing 2 pounds of resin with 1 pint of castor oil. 2 pounds is 0.9 kg and 1 pint is 500 ml. So accordingly, we are supposed to take resin and castor oil. This mixture of resin and castor oil is heated, and when the mixture is hot, it is smeared on papers or even it can be applied to the strips of wire. Fly papers do not give long-lasting results. Protection against flies, it includes screening of houses, hospitals, food markets, restaurants and other similar establishments. Screen with 14 meshes to the inch can be used, but screening is expensive. Health education. It is very essential to create fly consciousness among the people, and fly consciousness can be created through health education. Thus, through health education, we can motivate people with a desire to get rid of flies permanently. Fly control campaigns must be conducted, and these are the basis of successful public health program. Remember, although different fly control measures are available, the most effective and the most essential way is environmental sanitation.